G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just want to do another little video, have a chat. Interior's looking clean, I've given it a good vacuum and looking good, but what I want to actually talk to you today about, or actually sort of maybe ask you experts a question, people that know more than me, is about extractors. So quite a few years ago now, I bought these Pacemaker 4499 extractors. I bought them for a couple of reasons. From what I could find online, they produce the best low to mid-range power, which is generally what I drive around in. Don't rev it really high, don't rev it out or race it or anything. So that's what I wanted. I thought like the even kind of look of it, or the neater look compared to the 4480s. The 4480s are even length pipes, so I think they work better at a certain rev range. I believe it's more the mid to the high revs. But these are the ones I've got right now. I did paint them, but then when I did the replace the head gasket and everything, I was going to sand them all back and repaint them. I sanded most of them, and then I just got impatient and just wanted to get their head back on and just left it for a later date. But a couple of years later, they're still like that, which is pretty disgusting because they're still painted in areas and not in others. But anyway, I want to get them ceramic coated, but I'm sort of tossing up between just keeping them on so the car's not out of action and buying another set of either of the same 4499s like this, and just sending them away to get ceramic coated because they might take a week or so, or just take them off and just have the car out of action maybe when I'm on holidays and can use the wife's car and that. Either that, or should I bite the bullet and cough up the cash for a set of either brand new or second hand, I guess, if I can find some of the 4480s. What are other people's experience? Have you guys noticed a difference? I hear they sound better. Some people think they sound a lot better. Some people think they get a bit more power. Others say you really need to get some head work done to actually get the most out of them. Otherwise, you may as well with a stock engine like I've got, other than maybe a slight increase in compression because I've shaved the head and put an thinner AU head gasket, metal head gasket on there. So yes, slightly high compression and the rest of the exhaust, but other than that, a sports exhaust, slightly high compression, my engine stock. So what do you guys think? What would you do? I'm sure some of you guys that watch these videos probably have had experience with these, the 4499s and the 4480s. Do you think they're worth the extra cash? Either way, I want get a set of ceramic coated Paceys in here, and yeah, just clean the engine bay up. It's also good for the heat, reduce the heat coming off the exhaust because they actually coat the inside and outside of the headers, so it keeps the engine bay a lot cooler, which will help. Will help with even intake temperatures. It's going to heat the engine. Everything's going to be a lot cooler in here, but also on a hot day, obviously your coolant overflow bottle, everything's just going to heat up especially on a hot day with just bare extractors like that. So yeah, definitely going to get them ceramic coated. They'll heats better too. I'll probably get you can get them black or different finishes. I think I'll just like the polished coating. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Let me know what you think. I need your comments. Just smash the comments below. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.